What's up, my friends? Welcome back to our vlog. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a Mexican recipe. We're going to be making Sopitos Antojitos. We're going to need some beans. You guys can go ahead and pick any beans you guys prefer. I prefer these ones. These ones here are from Mexico. You can pick them up at any grocery store. We're going to need some oil. I'm going to use this right here, this masa here, because it does come prepped. I don't know how to make my dough, so we're going to use this one. We're also going to need some salt, un cubito de pollo, 3 Roman tomatoes, 1 jalapeno, 1 garlic, cabbage, cilantro, queso fresco, oregano, and cominos. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this and what to put in your beans to give it some flavor. We're going to go ahead and start this. Stay with me. First, we're going to start off in making the sauce for the sopitos. We're going to go ahead and have 3 Roman tomatoes, 3 small pinches of oregano, and 3 small pinches of comino, un cubito de pollo, and we're going to go ahead and add 1 garlic clove. Next, we're going to go ahead and start to boil our beans. We're going to go ahead and add 2 cloves of garlic. During the process of halfway of the beans being done, we're going to go ahead and add the cilantro and the jalapeno. We're going to boil it probably about maybe 3.5 hours until the beans are soft. Stay with us. We're going to go ahead and use this maseca. We're going to add 2 cups into the bowl. If a message comes in, just ignore it, okay? Well, it's somewhere around there. There's 1. So there's 2, more or less. Every 2 cups you're gonna add into the bowl, you're gonna add 1.5 cup of water. You're gonna add water. So that's gonna equal 1.5 cups. So all the time, you're gonna add 2 cups of the maseca. Make sure you add 1.5 cup to make the sopito, so it'll make it like a perfect circle. And we're gonna go ahead and deep fry our sopitos, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the next step. Go ahead and heat up the sopitos until golden brown, and then we're gonna take them out, and we're gonna go ahead and place a napkin on it so it can drain all the oil. Go ahead and add the cilantro to our beans and the jalapeno. You're gonna go ahead and let it boil together for about an hour until the beans are soft. What's up, everyone? So we're gonna go ahead and make our sauce for the sopitos. This was what we were boiling: our 3 Roma tomatoes, the cilantro, the oregano, un cubito de pollo, and 1 garlic piece. So we're gonna go ahead and blend it all up, put it in a pan, we're gonna heat it up, and we are gonna dip our sopito in it. You guys don't wanna go ahead and do the sauce of the tomato sauce that I have showed you. You guys can also use this one, Las Palmas. It's the enchilada sauce. You guys can also dip your sopitos in there, and I'll show you how to make it. We're going to go ahead and dip the sopito into the sauce. You're going to go ahead and add your cabbage and your queso fresco, and this is your Sopitos Antojitos.